Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well wherever you are. So far we have seen how to install and how to set up a Git with a GitHub So in this video we'll go through how you can um, add and push and commit and you can see the status of your Git all this stuff So let's go. So let's start now. So what we can do first thing we can we'll create a one directory. Let's say we just create a directory in the desktop for the test script. We give the name of the test. Right. So what we can do now, so we need to initialize this. So when you open this, you can see there's nothing in there so the quickest way to go to that directory you can just select in here the file explorer and write cmd and then press enter, and it will take you to the same directory so you can see there, if you write it on git here, you see the git is not initializing that directory I'll show there. These are the command all this stuff but there's so if I see the git status let's see, I'll just clear them CLS. If you see the git status status, you'll see the photo not a git repository so to make it a git repository you can do just simple in a separate word so now it is as you can see the hidden folder it's the git folder was created to see the hidden folder. Another the tricks is here just go to the view button, and from there you see the hidden items so if I just take it off these, you won't see anymore the hidden folder so just for time being I'll just keep it hidden folder so that I can show you there's a git folder was created and inside that folder there's some different configurations stuff in there, so it's not requirements to change or anything but we'll see so now if you write down here git status, best thing you can do instead of writing just go to up arrow key and you can see just select it, and this is on the master branch, no commit yet nothing is in there so no. So if I create a let's say a text file let's see, and just new a text file just and now if you go back say the git status, we'll see the one file was added but that file was added to that folder which is initialize the git repository anything, if you do anything you change, it will keep track everything in that folder git by git so to add the items to add this thing to your with the git so the command will be git to add this file with the git so just press just write git add and space dot. Now the item is added so if you want to see the status of the file now, you see it's now the color is green. Before it was red so as you can see the changes to be committed we just added, but still we have to commit it so this is how you can see it's been added so to commit that file to the git so just git commit and then space dash a. This will open a editor. You see, remember we set up like the notepad plus for editor, like so this is how it was open, like so you just write it down, like what change you have done, like so we just write edit text file and then save it and then close it, like now you see the giving the message like one file changed and zero additions. So this is the message will give you, like so if you just look at this now, the grid status, like you see the nothing to commit, working tree is clean, like so first thing we need to initialize the directory with the git, like and then you need to, if you add anything in that folder, you need to add it and then commit it, like but you can at the same time you can do add and commit at the same time, like same command, like so this is how we can see the status. You can see the how to add and how to commit, like now you want to push it to the remote branch, which is your GitHub account, like so to do this, like we'll do the on the next video, like thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channels, and that will encourage me to create more content, like thank you so much. Thanks. Bye.